Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Backcountry app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Backcountry is an outdoor gear and apparel shopping app designed for enthusiasts of hiking, skiing, climbing, and other outdoor activities. The app provides access to a wide range of products from top brands, complete with detailed descriptions, customer reviews, and price comparisons. Users can manage wishlists, track orders, and access app-exclusive deals for a streamlined shopping experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Backcountry for its intuitive interface, easy navigation, and reliable order tracking. The app makes it simple to find gear for specific activities, compare options, and read reviews before making purchases. Many users also value the filtering options by activity, brand, and price, which help tailor the shopping experience to individual needs. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some items, especially popular gear, may go out of stock quickly, and shipping costs can vary depending on location. Additionally, certain users feel that browsing large collections or niche items is sometimes easier on the website than within the app. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Backcountry app may be worth using if you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for a convenient and mobile-friendly way to shop for gear and apparel. It excels in product variety, ease of use, and order tracking. However, if you are focused on finding the absolute lowest prices or rare niche items, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.